I'm building a Minecraft flower. If you would like to build one as well, I have listed the materials down below. Basically, you need some paint, some wooden blocks, some pencils and some glue. And some patience. Let's build a pink tulip. I'm starting out painting the light pink ones. I needed 3 of these. After that, I did the dark green ones, which I needed 14 of. And back to pink. It's very relaxing mixing up the colors and get the tone you want. I gave each wooden block about 3 layers. They dried up pretty quickly between each layer, so it was easy to do. And then it was time to put it all together. I highly recommend painting all the sides of the wooden blocks. I had issues getting the glue to connect on the wooden sides, as the wood simply absorbed without actually gluing it together. When I had the color combination sorted out, it was time to glue. You can find the name of the glue in the description below. I'm sure there's a lot of other glues which work just fine. I put glue on both surfaces. For the most part, I would press down for about 20 to 30 seconds. As I mentioned before, I had some issues getting the glue to stick to the wooden sides. So I ended up painting some of the wood sides in the end. Lots of patience were applied. But to be honest, it was a really relaxing project of mine. I really love Minecraft. And the tulip is absolutely one of my favorites. And the flower biome is truly magical. I may do another flower or maybe some of the animals, as it gives me such a cozy and relaxing feeling. I've also been wanting to do some Enderman art. I've had this drawing in my head for a while now, so this is also on my list. But building these are really a lot of fun and a different way being creative. It took a really long time to create this tulip. I kept losing track of which greens were going where, as they were so similar, and it was a little bit hard to get an overview of the complete flower, and that took quite some time. But in the end, it ended exactly as it should. Everything was glued together, and here you have it, the Minecraft tulip. Wishing you a wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next video.